Hi everyone and dear Pega aspirants. Myself Harsha, I am Pega trainer from Harsha Trainings, and I am going to make series of videos about the concept of assignment and routing. So in this series of videos, I am going to explain in detail about what is routing and what are the different ways of routing and what are the tables for assignment and what is the clipboard page of an assignment, and like this in-depth details about assignment and routing concept you'll be finding the 4 videos in this series. If you are watching the video about the routing concept, there may be few videos which are before this video and after this video. You will be able to find total 4 videos about routing concept. Please don't forget to watch the videos in sequence. So before we proceed to watch the video about this explanation, so just a small announcement that we are going to start a new training batch on Pega starting from May 31st onwards. The training duration is 3.5 months. It's a real-time project-oriented training and a job guarantee placement-oriented training. And anyone who has career gap after their education or who are pursuing any job in non-IT or IT industry, or those who are pursuing BTech as a fresher also, you are eligible to learn Pega to get into Pega jobs. So, and one more thing is, if you like our videos and the content, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please make sure that if you have any questions, don't forget to post the questions in the comment section. The questions may be about the technical questions or maybe the career guidance questions. As a 4th video in the series of routing videos, I am going to explain the concept of current operator. So generally for every assignment there will be an option of current operator by default selected. So in this video you are going to understand about what is current operator and what is create operator. Let's get on to the video about current operator in the routing field of assignment shape. I will explain you the concept of current operator. Okay, because I finished off theory today. You know about operator to whom we are routing? You know about operator to whom we are work queue to which we are routing? You know, either to operator or either to work queue. Let me tell you a new concept called current operator. Okay, for this you need to imagine some requirement. But before that, because practical and all we'll do tomorrow. See here, this is the flow, right? See, by default, any flow you open, double click on assignment. What is the routing? Route to current operator. Route to current operator. Route to every assignment will have route to current operator only. Means whoever is executing usually. I'll tell you clearly what is current operator. Okay, don't misinterpret before that itself. See, there is something called two operators. One is create operator. You can easily guess what is it. Second one is current operator. You can easily guess what is the create operator. Create operator means suppose one flow is there, manager one logged in, manager one executed the flow, work object is created. Who is create operator of that work object? Manager one. Understand? Manager one is the create operator means who initiated the transaction. As a result, work object is created. That is create operator, px create operator id, right? So create operator. Imagine in reality, in real life, I'll come to this flow and all later. Imagine there is a room. In the room, 5 tables are there. Table 1, table 2, table 3, 4, 5. Task is a file. There is a file, physical file. File will be moved from table 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. This is how. File is being created by the actual business. Business has created the file. Who is create operator now? Let's say manager. Okay. Let's say user 1 created file. And the people who are sitting at the tables are operator 1, manager 1, manager 2, manager 3, manager 4, manager 5 sitting. 5 people sitting. User 1 created file, and the file once it is created, it went to table 1. Now at the table 1, who is sitting? Manager 1 will open. So user 1 is the create operator. Okay. The manager 1 who is there at table 1 when the file is reaching table 1, that is the current operator. Okay, that is the current operator. Manager 1 finished and he moved file to table 2. Who is sitting at table 2? At table 2, manager is sitting. Manager 2 is sitting. So now for that assignment, for that particular table, who is current operator? Manager 2. Similarly, it went to table 3. Manager 3 is sitting at table 3. Who is current operator? manager 3. Table 4 and table 5, manager 4 and manager 5. This is current operator. Let me explain you once again in a different way. Imagine 5 tables are there. User 1 has created the file. Table 1, manager 1 is sitting. Table 2, there is no one. Table 2, there is no one sitting, empty. Table 3, manager 3 is sitting. Table 4, manager 4 is sitting. Table 5, there is no one. Understand? Table 1, manager 1. Table 3, 4, manager 3, 4. Table 2, 5, no one is sitting. User 1 has created the file and moved to table 1. Table 1, manager 1 is there. Who is current operator? Manager 1. Manager 1 has moved the file to next table. There is no one. So when there is no one, the previous table related operator should work on it. So for table 2, when there is no one, who moved the file? Who worked on previous table? Manager. Manager itself will become the current operator to table 2. Table 2, who is the current operator? Manager 1. So manager 1 finished table 2 task also. There is no one to receive. He has to work on it. He worked and finished and moved to table 3. Table 3, someone is sitting, right? Manager 3, current operator. Table 4, manager 4 is current operator. Manager 4 finished. Hand over to table, placed it on table 5. There is no one at table 5. Who is current operator for table 5? Manager 4. This is clear, everyone? Same with assignments, I will tell you. Flow is executed by user 1. First assignment routed to manager 1. Who is current operator? Manager 1. Second assignment, there is no routing. It was mentioned as current operator alone. Only current operator by default, that is been left. Second operator, there is no one dedicatedly. So first assignment, manager 1 finished and submitted. Work object reaching second assignment, there is no one. Current operator this is. Who is current operator to second assignment? Manager 1 itself. And manager 1 itself finished second assignment and work object has reached third assignment. At the third assignment, routing is specified as manager 3. Who is current operator for third assignment? Manager 3. Similarly, manager 4 is the fourth assignment. Current operator for fourth assignment is manager 4. When manager 4 submits the assignment, work object has reached fifth assignment. There is no routing. It has been mentioned simply as current operator. Then who is the operator for assignment 5? Manager 4 itself. Current operator means current operator of an assignment is the operator who has worked on previous assignment. Understand? Current operator of an assignment is what? The operator who has worked on previous assignment. Okay. Now another situation I will tell you. The situation is we have a flow with 5 assignments. First assignment is current operator. There is no dedicated operator ready. First assignment itself is current operator. Second assignment is operator 2. Third assignment is current operator. Fourth assignment is operator 4. Fifth assignment is current operator. 1, 3, 5 current operator. 2, 4 are operator manager 2 and manager 4. Understand? User 1 has initiated the flow. User 1 is create operator. Correct? Now, when work object is created, it has reached assignment 1. Assignment 1 says current operator. Is there any previous assignment to this? We discussed current operator is the previous assignment operator, but previous assignment itself is not there. When there is no previous assignment, if the assignment is routed to current operator, create operator will become the current operator. Understand? Who created? They have to work on first assignment because first assignment is routed to current operator. There is no previous operator. Create operator itself is a current operator in case the first assignment is routed to current operator. Understand? Now create operator user 1. First assignment is current operator. So user 1 has worked on it. User 1 submitted. Work object has reached assignment 2. Operator 2 is there. Operator 2 is manager 2. Manager 2 has worked on it. He is the current operator. Submitted. Work object has reached assignment 3. When work object reached assignment 3 is mentioned as current operator. Who is current operator here? Manager 2. Understand? So current operator is the operator who has worked on previous assignment. When there is no previous assignment, create operator is current operator. This is the concept of current operator.